Hi, I'm Brian from Boatshed. This is the DAF 575 Stone Cold DAF in the 13.8 metre Dutch steel cruiser from 1973. Let's see how she starts. No reluctancy there at all. Let's have a look now. That is a keel cooled engine, so we're certainly not going to see any water out of this exhaust. We shouldn't do. And there we have it. There isn't. DAF 575 6-cylinder. Now let's make our way back inside and see, certainly up here, that really is very quiet. Let's make our way back inside and see what the noise levels are down in the saloon. Okay, well, if I was piloting from inside, I can certainly hear myself think.